Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, open WhatsApp. Press the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Settings. Go to the Chats option and scroll down until you see Chat Backup option. Choose the Google account that you want your chats backed up to. You can also create a local backup on your device. Tap Backup. After the backup has been saved, you can remove or uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Install it back and open WhatsApp. Then verify your number. Tap Restore when prompted to restore your chats and media from Google Drive. After the restoration process is complete, tap Next. Your chats will be displayed once initialization is complete. WhatsApp will continue to restore your media files after your chats are restored. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.